Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to drive through the town of Falmouth. We are on the Northern Coastal Highway heading towards Falmouth. Though Falmouth is a very historic town in Jamaica, it has been around for hundreds of years. Falmouth is the capital of Trelawney because it's on the coast and it's still a port, but back in the day it was a major port in Jamaica, and so you found the town growing around the port, and then eventually Falmouth became the capital. Today the port it's a cruise ship port now. Royal Caribbean has a facility in Falmouth, the Falmouth cruise ship pier, and very popular cruise ships come in weekly to Falmouth and dock, and then persons can then get buses to take them to different attractions, and the ships usually come in for a day. So Falmouth has turned into a major tourist destination now because of the cruise ship pier. So you're going to see a lot of activity going on in Falmouth. Plazas are going up. You have a lot of fast food restaurants. It's becoming a major town in Jamaica. It could actually be considered a city the way it's growing so fast. So that's the Northern Coastal Highway that we just came off. And we're going on to Main Street now into the town of Falmouth. Falmouth is growing so fast that you're going to see a lot of developments going on. So like on the right, well, I don't think we've come up to it yet, but a big development is going on the right. Alright, so we're entering the town itself now. The town, yeah. So on the left is the Falmouth Market, one of the largest markets on this side of Jamaica. Then you have this new gas station on the right, and this Texaco on the left is actually a new one as well. Now that massive structure on the right, that's the Champion Plaza. It's huge. You have KFC over there, you have Pizza Hut, you have a supermarket. Basically, they follow the formula for a successful plaza, and they have a few of them on the north coast. You have food stores, you don't get any bigger than KFC and Pizza Hut. You have other restaurants over there as well. You have a very large supermarket, and you build it in a populated area, and Falmouth is the most populated area in Trelawney. So you need food stores, you need to build a plaza in a populated area, and you need a large brand name supermarket for the plaza to be successful. So as we drive through the tunnel, you're going to see a lot of historic buildings. Like the architecture is old, because remember, Falmouth has been around for hundreds of years. You have a lot of new structures, a lot of developments, but you also have a lot of the old structures. On the left now is a cruise ship pier. And if persons want to walk off, they can come through one of these gates and go into the town. So you have a lot of tourist shops around the place. Cruise ships, I think it's usually on a Tuesday that they come in. Today is a Friday. But when the cruise ships come in, you have so many tour buses and stuff coming into Falmouth to collect persons to take them on excursions. This place, the town is a lot busier.